Let's go around, guys. I just want to share the city view. How does it looks here? Ito yung parang landmark ng Boulder City. Ayan, City Hall. So ito nga, guys, yung City Hall. Ikutan ko lang dito para makita natin yung harapan ng City Hall nila. Maliit nga, guys, na building kung ikukumpara mo sa mga City Hall ng ibang syudad sa kahit dyan sa Pilipinas is parang mas malalaki pa yung mga City Hall natin. Oh wow, here you go. Ito na nga, ito yung pinaka main entrance ng City Hall. Meron silang statue dito, audio walking tour site City Hall. Oh, what is this? Ito, guys, yung Boulder City. Tapos yung venue nga ng gun show is in the other side. Kaya puntahan natin. Let's go. Ito na nga, guys, yung loob nitong venue. Kung makita nyo is napakaaliwalas, napakaganda. Ito yung gun show for today. Kung makita nyo, there are lots of accessories. There are armor.
Welcome to Western Trails Gun Show.
Yeah, here at Boulder City. Hi, how are you?
Always good to see you. Here,
Yeah, my first.
so you know it's both sides, right?
Oh,
Yeah, both rooms are open.
oh, okay.
Familiar faces, people that you've met before and talked to before. But then there's a lot of newer vendors too that you may not have seen before.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I just go around. Thank you. Concealed purses. Para sa mga babae, guys. Kung gusto mong bumili ng taguan ng baril mo. Kung babae is ito. Marami silang paninda dito. Katulad nito. I think dito sa side ito. Ito nga. Ito yung paninda niya. Yung mga backpack na ganito, guys, is nandito sa side yung lagayan ng baril. Maraming klase rin na ito. Ayan nga. Ayan. Ayan. Concealed purses. Then, ito, nasa likod din yung zipper. Isuksok mo dito yung handgun mo, guys. Ganito. And this is... Meron din dito. Ayan. And this is also a wallet. Kung gusto mong bumili ng wallet, kung talagang mahilig ka sa baril, is ito, meron din katapat na wallet. And they have a lot of design, guys. May mga maraming style din yung design niya. Pero karamihan is talagang nasa dito sa gilid nga yung lagay mo ng baril. Oh, there's a holster inside. Ito yung talagang lalagyan ng handgun mo. Nice. Oh, this is kahit ito sa gilid din. So guys, yung panindan lang Colt, napakarami. Kung makita nyo, this is Colt 1911. Meron din doon. But ito lang naka-glass kasi kaya hindi natin pwedeng mahawakan o mabaliktad ito. This is where our 1249 20 inches barrel with scope. Oh, look at the butt. It's nice. What do you call this one?
So my husband makes these from scraps. So we have coasters, we have book stands,
Yeah?
we have the Vegas dice, we have jewelry boxes, we have the
Oh,
American flag.
American flag, but this is the
shotgun shells.
shotgun,
Yep,
huh?
the shotgun shells.
Oh, shotgun shells.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah.
Oh, and this is also shotgun
Yep,
shells.
shotgun shells.
This one also
and then
shells.
a small one, and then a lot of coasters.
Oh, it's nice.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So you can still use the shotgun shells, you know. There's a lot. They just leave it there on the range
Yeah, and
sometimes.
then he goes to the range and he collects it from there.
Oh,
And
may-
he actually creates. We
Oh,
don't throw anything away. We
Yeah, yeah,
collect
yeah.
and we just create stuff.
I think I need to collect also some shotgun
Yeah,
shells
you
when I
can do
go
so
to the
much
range.
with it. So much with it.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, you got it.
Ganito guys, yung mga makikita mo dito sa gun show, you can find here ammo, guns. Oh, you have handguns. Ito, may mga handguns dito. This is, oh, what is this? STI 2011 original, 3,200. And ito, may mga optic din dito. Tissot, 800. May mga, ito. Oh, what is this? Barrel? This is barrel. 350. Marlin. Ito guys, mga old gun ito. And meron din dito Black Rain. This is 1,700. Makita mo ito. Napakaganda, ah. It's Black Rain. Meron din dito, ito Winchester 1,000, this one. And ito 1,200 for this gun. Ito maganda rin to, ah. And Enfield. Maraming salamat ulit guys sa pagsama sa aking video. Sana wag mo kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakipindot mo na rin yung notification bell.